Well, Russ, we know that investigators found DNA evidence very near the bodies there at that crime scene. We've also now learned that these detectives will take an extra step to find out who that DNA belongs to. Sheriff's investigators say they remain confident that all the evidence points to Chris Benoit as the person who killed Nancy and 7-year-old Daniel. But just to make sure, they're sending DNA evidence to a private laboratory, including blood samples found near the bodies. District Attorney Scott Ballard says that evidence will answer important questions.
If there is any chance that there's so ruthless a killer in our midst, we need to know about it. But as much as anything, since the evidence all points to the fact that there is no such killer at large, it's to tie up loose ends. It's so that as this is reviewed and questioned down the road, we'll be able to say we did our best to get to the truth.
The Sheriff's Department is paying for these DNA tests to be done in an out-of-state laboratory. The GBI normally does it for free, but because this appears to be an open and shut murder-suicide case, deputies tell us that the crime lab's first priority is for cases in which there's a suspect to be prosecuted. Chris Benoit is accused of murdering his wife Nancy and the couple's son Daniel last month in the family's Fayette County home. A toxicology report showed evidence of steroid use in Benoit's body, but not enough to cause what's called roid rage. In addition, sheriff's investigators are waiting the actual autopsy reports, which will also answer important questions.
Questions about whether someone was still alive when a particular thing was done, or whether they were dead, whether they were conscious or not. Those kinds of things may be able to be told from the autopsy report.
And we're told that those autopsy reports are expected any time now. They could come any day, possibly this week. Live in Fayette County, Doug Evans, Fox 5 News.